Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be doing fine inside your homes. Today the world is in the trap of COVID-19. So better mode is to remain busy with the books, concentrate on self-studies so that you can crack the approaching examinations with a difference, and also you can defeat the COVID-19 infection that is building huge amount of pressure on the globe, killing people in plenty. Yesterday, a student named Farshid called me to make us learn reference and context of the poem, first few stanzas of the poem, that is punishment in kindergarten. You are watching the verses or stanzas on the board. Today the world is little more my own. No need to remember the pan a blue-frocked woman caused, throwing words at me like pots and pans to drain the honey-colored day of picnic. Why don't you join the others? What a peculiar child you are. Dear students, what is the context? So these lines have been taken from the poem Punishment in Kindergarten, written by poetess Kamala Das. In these lines, she recalls the pain caused by teacher, or she recalls the experience of a picnic day when she was insulted by her teacher in front of all the children who laughed at him, and her pain became deeper and deeper. So the context means simply where from these lines have been taken, and who wrote these lines, and what is the particular or central idea of the poem. Sometimes we mention in the context of the when we are doing context and reference. I will repeat the things for you. Context means where from these lines have been taken and who wrote these lines. In context, we also write what is the central idea or the theme of the poem. For example, these lines have been taken from the poem Punishment in Kindergarten, written by poetess Kamala Das. In these lines, she recalls the painful moment or painful experience that on the day of picnic she met with when her teacher insulted her in front of all the children who laughed at him, and her pain became deeper and deeper. Now is explanation. Explanation of these lines. Explanation means the meaning of these lines. Simply context means where from it has been taken, and explanation simply means what is the meaning, what is the reference of these lines. Today the world is little more my own. I am a grown up today, and I am the mistress of this world now, because I am fully grown up. World belongs to me because I can decide what is better and what is bad. No need to remember the pain. And today, because I am a grown up, I should not remember the pain that I met with during the childhood. A billow frocked woman caused throwing words at me like pot sandwich. A billow frocked, that means the teacher was dressed in a garment that was billow, caused his she threw at me. She insulted me with some harsh words, like pots and pans mean with harsh words. Drained the heavy colored day of picnic. In the way that my picnic, that sweet picnic, went the sweet picnic, the taste of sweet picnic came out of my mind, or we can say they vanish out of my mind. The taste of the picnic vanished out of my mind when other child laughed at me. Why don't you join the others? The teacher. Why don't you join others? The teacher asked me. Why don't you join the others? Because it's the cluster of children or it's a group of children and you need to join the others. What a peculiar child you are. You are a strange child. You need to join the others. So the the poetess was insulted during the day of picnic by her teacher, and in the context she recalls the same experience. But these lines say the explanation of these lines say that today I am a grown up. I should not. I am mistress of the world. I am fully grown. Peace is in my mind, and I should not remember what was done to me on that day of picnic. What the teacher did, how harsh the teacher was, what was the reaction of the others when they laughed at the me and they took away the taste of picnic from me. But when teacher asked me to join the others because you are a peculiar child, you are a strange child, this the insult that I met with during the childhood on the day of picnic, and today I am fully grown up. I should not remember the things because now the world belongs to me. I am the mistress of this world. So concluding the fact, the context means where from the lines have been taken, and the explanation means simply the meaning of these lines or meaning of these stanzas. Dear students, I hope you will grasp the things in the end. And before leaving the class, I'm advising you do see these things on your available reference book of English or textbook, and inshallah you will find the same explanation and context of these lines. But before leaving the class, I am advising you do remain stick to the books so that you can prepare yourselves well for the approaching examinations and also can defeat the COVID 19 infection that's putting life at stake. And disorder is seen, chaos is seen, everything. Peace is nowhere in the world. Thanks. Be balanced.